Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to get your Chase bank statement right from the app. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying on top of your finances, accessing your statements on the go is a game changer. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First things first, make sure you have the Chase Bank app installed on your smartphone. You can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's ready, open the app and log in with your username and password. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a simple step that keeps your info safe. Now, let's get to the main steps. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. Tap on the account you want to view statements for, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit card. Next, look for the Statements or Account History option, usually found under a menu icon or directly on the account page. It might be labeled as e-statements or something similar, so keep an eye out. Once you're in the Statements section, you'll see a list of available statements by date. Select the one you need, and you can view it right there on your screen. If you want a copy, hit the download button. It's often in PDF format, which you can save to your device or email to yourself. Pro tip: if you don't see your statements, double-check that your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions might have glitches. And that's it, you've now got your Chase bank statement at your fingertips. This method is not only convenient but also eco-friendly, helping you go paperless. If you run into any issues, reach out to Chase customer support. They're usually super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. What's your favorite banking app feature? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.